Alright, Rob Fraser here. So, just talking another testimonial for the Prophet's Passport system that I've been using. Today is October 7th. As you can see here, congratulations, Robert. You made a sale, $2,000 Vertex live sale. I'm also sending the gentleman who joined me at Getting Started email. So, if that's you, it's coming soon. So, that was today, October 7th, and last week I've earned one as well. Congratulations, Robert, you've made a sale, $2,000. So $2,000 last week and then $2,000 again this week, not counting any other income stream that I'm promoting out there. But what I will say is that it has taken me a while to get here, and also I've been fighting off some personal issues. When you have gone from making thousands of dollars a week down to hundreds of dollars a week, down to 90s and 80s and 70s and $50 a week, it kind of affects you, especially when you are a multiple six-figure earner in affiliate marketing. But slowly getting the systems in place, slowly getting the processes back in place, and with that had $4,000 commissions in the past 2 weeks. Again, not counting my other income streams, but this right here was a nice chunk of change that I'm really thankful for. And the reason I'm doing this video is to simply share a simple system, a simple method that I'm using to promote this thing. I'm using the Prophet's Passport system, but I'm not just outright promoting the system. I have a couple things in front of it. A lead generation deal, so I get the lead first before I send them the Prophet's Passport, and my YouTube, and also going to be starting back with paying traffic once this commission hits the bank account. So another commission, $2,000 a week since I started. Not too shabby. $2,000 a week will do a lot of good. And also, I will say, the $2,000 that comes in, it doesn't just all go to my bank account. I have a very specific money plan. A certain amount goes towards debt, a certain amount goes towards investing, a certain amount goes towards my pocket, and a certain amount goes back into traffic. And that is what keeps the whole machine going. So that being said, Rob Fraser here, wrapping this video up. If you're interested in the exact system that I'm using, click the link in the description of this video, and I'll be there to help you out. Peace.